Here are the 5 power-packed exercises you can do at home to gain muscle and strength. How to gain muscle mass. These 5 exercises, however, will tighten and tone all of your muscle groups at once. Building muscles is the most common reason why a majority of people regularly go to the gym. However, muscle growth takes time and dedication over the long run. What if we tell you that you can gain muscle at home? Yes, ladies and gents, with a few exercises it is possible. These exercises will also help you in your weight loss journey. 5 effective exercises that can help you build muscle mass. 1. Tricep dips. It is among the best workouts that can be performed at home with a chair, bench, or table. If done properly, it can help you develop leaner, stronger arms by promoting the growth of muscle, particularly in the arms and shoulders. How to perform tricep dips. Take a seat at the edge of a chair and extend your hands, knuckles pointing forward, over the edge of the chair, with your feet pointed forward. Bend your legs at a 90-degree angle. Lower your butt toward the floor while keeping your shoulders down and your elbows tight to your sides. Return to your seat while continuing to press down with your hands heels. Perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions. 2. Frog jumps. Frog jumps are a plyometric workout that recruits muscles all throughout your body by using your own weight as resistance. During the frog jump exercise, your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes are primarily engaged. Start by standing tall and spreading your feet widely. They should be more than hip width apart but not too far apart. At this point, get into a full squat position. Next, jump forward while standing up. Jump forward and get into the full squat position again. Jump forward once more and repeat the action. 3. Burpees. Burpees are the best of all exercises when it comes to weight loss. It is a calisthenics workout for the entire body that also seeks to increase muscle strength and endurance in both the lower and upper body. How to perform burpees. Take a plank stance to begin. Consistently maintain a straight, parallel posture with your body. Place your elbows beneath your shoulders. Legs should be spread widely. Once you are in the posture, crunch by bringing your right knee nearly to your right elbow. Kick with your extended back leg. For a total of 30 seconds, you can perform 2 to 3 sets on each side. 4. Floor presses. Regular floor presses help strengthen your shoulder, deltoids, triceps, and chest muscles. For those who have sore shoulders, this exercise is a great variation. Lie on the floor with your back with a dumbbell in each hand at chest level. Lean forward with your legs. Put your feet firmly on the ground and brace your back and core. With your arms extended and the dumbbells held over your chest, slowly lower them until your upper arms are parallel to the floor, then press them back up. Perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions. 5. Push-ups. Most people perform push-up on a regular basis to stay fit and to target several muscles at one time, and that's true. In fact, you can also lose weight with this exercise. How to perform push-ups. Beginning in the plank posture, your shoulders should be pushed back and down, and your neck should be in a neutral position. Lower your body to the ground while bending your elbows. Lift it up steadily and slowly. Pay attention to keeping your elbows close to your body while performing the motion. Perform as many reps as you can. If you want to see more such fitness and health tips, then subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family.